Hi, this is Heidi from Garden Crossings, and I'm out in the trial gardens today, and in front of us here we have the Tall Garden Phlox Glamour Girl. Absolutely beautiful, putting on an amazing show here. This has bright, kind of watermelon, magenta-y-ish colored flowers. It stands about, boy, this one here is about 3 foot tall, and I'm not sure how many plants they have planted in this little cluster. There might be more than one. But actually it's just making a beautiful statement. This here looks like this might be one plant, a standalone plant. So this is about 24 inches wide and about 3 foot tall. Absolutely stunning flowers. They attract butterflies and hummingbirds to your garden. This one here is virtually mildew resistant, so an absolutely amazing tall garden phlox. This here is Phlox Glamour Girl with Heidi from Garden Crossings.